Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about AMP coin price prediction and AMP coin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AMP coin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward, but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed, in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. Currently, the AMP token occupies the 85th position in terms of market capitalization, with net liquid assets of $803,385,036. The circulating stock of AMP tokens is 42.23. The last AMP breakdown was stopped at 2 cents, but due to the reverse buying mood, this small rebound in February 2022 was quickly absorbed by negative sentiment. After hitting a new low of $0.021 on February 23, small signs of a pullback helped AMP bounce back to the first week of April. AMP's price trend is clearly negative, and any chances of bouncing back to previous highs will require a huge improvement in the market position and user base. Since such a feat can take a long time, AMP coin holders should not add more AMP tokens in a falling knife trend. Small purchases should be appreciated, but averaging all investments after a significant decline will be very disruptive. The AMP trend line indicating a decline is quite gentle, and profit booking occurred in 4 months in 2022. Jumping back to previous highs will require significant market support from traders. Since support seems to be developing at around $0.022, investors should look for an opportunity to add a few AMP tokens to make huge profits in the long run. Positive sentiment may return to AMP only after prices overcome the January 2022 breakdown level, marked at $0.045. At the moment, the graph shows a gradual decrease in the price of the coin since January, which does not interact with it further, but it can be assumed users can perform multiple functions with AMP. Among them are checking all forms of value exchange, decentralizing the risk of asset transfer, and simplifying the distribution of rewards in the network after the transfer is completed. In addition, various incentive models are built into the smart contracts that AMP provides. As a rule, AMP crypto should provide fast and easy transfers. AMP can also be used as collateral for transactions that take a long time to clear. The price of the AMP token is in an uptrend every day, and also broke out of the long-term supply zone. The price of the AMP token is trading above the offer zone of $0.02428 on the daily timeframe. The token generates a higher minimum and a higher maximum on the daily timeframe. Currently, the token is resting in the long-term demand zone on a weekly timeframe, and thus it can bounce off the demand zone if the bulls support, and as a result, the token can be seen moving up. But if the token breaks through the demand zone, it can quickly fall. Currently, the token is trading below all critical exponential moving averages, 21, 50, 100, and may face a refusal to move up. The price of the AMP token has been trading in a small range since the last trading weeks, and thus a breakout on both sides will cause a big move. Currently, the token is traded in the upper band of the Bollinger Band indicator. The range of the Bollinger Band has become narrow, which indicates an impulsive movement in the upcoming trading days. Volumes have decreased, and thus the momentum from either side will continue for a long time due to less volatility. The price of the AMP token has been falling since the last trading days, forming lower lows. But recently, the token managed to stay above the previous low, despite the selling pressure of the supply zone. As a result, it started trading in a smaller range, which led to consolidation inside the falling wedge on the daily timeframe. The recent bullish growth in the cryptocurrency market has not affected the super trend indicator. Let's take a look at the near future of AMP coin, but before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. AMP rate prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP the average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.